Happy Monday, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the purchasing pros and cons when buying a new construction versus an older construction. With the economy performing well and the housing market remaining strong, developers have been building like crazy. So today I wanted to provide you with some factors that you should consider when you're deciding to purchase a new construction versus something older. When I first searched for new construction, you can see there are certain areas in the county that have much more new construction than the rest of the county. So in an effort to avoid a skewed graph, I had to restrict certain areas of the county to include just central Brevard County, which was a much more even playing field. The first thing that most people are concerned about is going to be the price. After analyzing 2,400 closed sales priced between $200,000 and $500,000 built up to 2017, the median sales price is right at $300,000. When analyzing property that was built and closed in the last 12 months, the median sales price was $377,436, which essentially means that new construction costs about 20% more. The next thing to consider would be maintenance and/or warranty for a property. One of the greatest things about new constructions are the guarantees or the warranties on the property. So typically a builder is going to issue a 1-year warranty on the construction, and then also each appliance has its own manufacturer's warranty that can sometimes last up to 10 years. When buying a previously built property, the two biggest issues that concern buyers are going to be the age of the roof and AC. Oftentimes this can lead to a roof needing to be replaced and/or an AC. And not always necessary, but some buyers have a preference on a style of a kitchen and are going to need to do some renovations. And lastly, let's talk about design. There's a certain look when it comes to new construction's exterior and interior. So newer homes are more of a modern or contemporary look, and when you're looking at older properties, they're typically a ranch style home with smaller garages and smaller bedrooms. And when it comes to kitchens and interior spaces, modern homes are going to use current trends and features that are very high demand, versus when it's an older kitchen, you're going to be seeing more of a blocky feel and some darker tones and just older architecture. So those are just a few of the factors that I encourage my clients to take into consideration when they're debating between a new construction versus something older. If you have any questions or you have an experience of your own that you'd like to share with us, please post it in the comment section. And as always, guys, thank you very much for your time, engagement, and sharing these videos. I always appreciate it. And you know the drill. I'll see you next Monday.